Hello, welcome to Math Hands-On with Python, and today we are going to see how we can customize our scatterplot and have more information displayed using the scatterplot. Basically, the scatterplot have been mostly used to present two informations, but in this tutorial we are going to see how we can visualize two more informations using the scatterplot. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Okay, now let's consider this sample data set. And this dataset basically have been taken more than 11 years. So I'm just using this for demonstration of this video. Suppose we have a list of these countries along the East Africa, and I'm going to visualize the GDP, the mean year of schooling, and the child mortality. Also, I'm going to include the adult literacy rate. Now, turning back to Python, you see we have the libraries. I have the matplotlib library, the NumPy, and the Panda library, and I loaded my data, those I showed earlier, and I picked the GDP as the data which will be presented on the x-axis, and literacy to be presented on the y-axis. And the two more informations, I'm going to show or visualize them in a scatterplot using these two functions, the color and the size function. So the color will represent information for child mortality rate, and the size will represent the mean year of schooling. Since the mean year of schooling, its value is very small, so I decided to magnify this information by 100 times each of the value in the school column. Okay, then this annotation is just for labeling my points. So I'm going to label the points according to the name of the country. And then after that, then we have the PLT function. This is, if you are not new to the scatterplot, this is the function which we use in presenting the information in a scatterplot. So we have our x values and y values as we defined earlier, and also this C represent the color. So the color, we have decided the color to represent the child mortality, and S represents the size. The size will represent the information for the mean year of schooling, and then this alpha is just for transparency of the color. And we have the color map, and we pick the color map, this one, and then this is for setting up of the annotation, so that the labeling should be corresponding to the points. Okay, and then after that we have this color bar function. Basically, the color bar present the information about the child mortality rate, and this one will go in hand with the output that we are going to display for the two informations. So then we have to label the x-axis, the y-axis, and this is the title of our output, and then we stop by plt .show. Now, after having this description of this code, then run this one and see the output. So you can see this is the output. Okay, we have the title. This is the GDP versus literacy rate in relation to the mean year schooling and the child mortality. So this is the color bar, and this color bar represents the child mortality rate. So you can compare these informations with respect to the color of these countries. Okay, so you can see this is Kenya, and its color corresponding to the colors below here. So by observation, the child mortality of Kenya is low compared to child mortality of Burundi, which is yellow, and the yellow is to the extreme of this color bar. Okay, the size of these points basically represent the mean year of schooling of adult in each of the country. So Kenya have a very large size compared to other countries. Okay, so that means the mean year of schooling of Kenya is very large compared to other countries. So this is how you can visualize more than two information in a scatterplot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, goodbye.